Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe. Nothing I want. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel for today's video. Me and baby boo's heading down to, we're actually heading up north. First stop is the junkyard to pick up fender and bumper bracket for the Akira, and then from there we are going to Wireworks to pick up my engine harness. So yes, the Integra should be hopefully running by the end of this vlog. And then for the previous vlog, which I don't think I uploaded yet, if I did or not, I don't know. I got to get the Akira 8th gen front end SI conversion from 2008 to 2009 done. So most of that stuff is going on. Back at it. Uncle Tony's. Gotta get a fender thing for Akira. Her first time at a junkyard.
Well, I went one, I think, when I was still with my dad.
Well, as an adult.
Yeah.
At the yard. Crocked out, Adidas out. Let's get it. Cha-ching! Got what I needed.
Like that. See, that car got fucked, but not the way that this car got fucked.
Hey, language.
I'm sorry.
Okay. I wanted to take this bracket too, but I can't because I ain't bring no tools. All I brought was screwdrivers, but I got what I needed, honestly, and we should be good to go. Let's get the heck up out of here, player. But this would have been nice though. Okay, so now we're leaving Uncle Tony's, and I want to say thank you to Uncle Tony. And I fed my girl. She got a hot dog. She got a glizzy. Taking it straight to the face is good, ain't it? Talking about this is the best hot dog ever. I feel some type of way, but it's alright. Well, they gave me my fender bracket that I needed for free, bro. Uncle Tony's is honestly the best yard, bro. You go to Snake Road and Stewart, yeah, spending like $40 for shit. Hot dog, $20 tax. Like, god damn.
And there's a big jumbo hot dog.
Look at his lips.
Bro, look at this dude. Look at his hair.
So right now, I'm on my way to go to Orlando, Kissimmee area, Orange County area, to pick up my engine harness from Wireworks. But first, we gotta get gas in this thing, because this thing is on the ease. So, it's unfortunate. We're like an hour away, 48 minutes away from Wireworks. And we might not leave here for another couple of hours, depending on what's about to happen. Because I texted Xavier that I'm on, like an hour and a half ago, that I'm on the way. And then he texted me back like a couple minutes ago. And unfortunately, the harness isn't done, which I thought it was due to the prior messages, but it's not. And he's saying around 5 I should be picking it up. Now the problem with that is the goal was to be home by 3:30, 4 o'clock, and now I won't potentially be home until about 7 o'clock. Today's Sunday. I'm moving officially Tuesday, like all my stuff out, but I need the Integra out of the garage so I can get all the stuff that's in the house in the garage and then load up all one time and go. But now I don't know what's going on, and it sucks. Because I was looking forward to this, to get it done early. I woke up early, went to the junkyard, got my part. Now I'm on the way to Orlando still. I found out like damn near 20 minutes ago, and I was already an hour in. So I didn't want to turn back, and then it would have just been really shitty. But yeah, I mean, communication is key, everybody. I mean, I'm not mad or to like pissy or upset about it. Just like it sucks because I was like wanting to get this done. So now I'm trying to figure out what's the best thing to do while I'm in Orlando now, because I don't want to leave empty-handed. That's a waste of gas, waste of time, and yeah, like a waste of money in general. and it's not the time right now to be wasting money on things that was supposed to be set in stone. I understand things happen, but I should have been alerted beforehand, you know, because he told me to come Sunday. And I'm like, Xavier's still my dude, you know what I mean? He looks out. It just sucks, you know, because like I'm on a time crunch for everything, and this happens just because you Zosh or famous, quote unquote famous automotive YouTuber, you don't always, you know what I mean? People think like, oh, you just say one thing and people jump. That's not true. I'm a regular ass person like everybody else. You gotta wait on people. You gotta wait on things. It doesn't come in a timely manner the way you'd like. Shit like this happens all the time. I'm just now being transparent and showing you guys more of my day-to-day life, and let you guys know what goes on behind the scenes, so you can get a more of an understanding, and you know, I can relate the more to y'all in a sense where like a name don't mean shit. It's just a name. Sometimes your face card might work sometimes, but not true. But now we are 48 minutes away, and I don't know what's going on. So we're gonna try to make the best of it. Maybe stay for like an hour, find some stuff for the house, or go out for like a little somewhere and explore Orlando a little bit. And I don't know, by 2 o'clock if nothing happens, I just gotta take my loss and go back home and then figure out what the hell I'm gonna do with my Integra. Cause this sucks. I need to brush my beard though. It look bad? It looks bad?
I don't know, babe.
I'm about to get roasted.
Why is it not?
So we're probably turning a loss into a W because we're at IKEA!
And Babe's never been to IKEA.
Yeah, I've never been to IKEA, so
we're gonna lose his IKEA virginity.
I'm about to get demonetized. I've never been to this side of Orlando before.
Really? We gonna show y'all. If y'all never been to IKEA, you gonna see it in video. IKEA's fun.
Look at my knees. Ugh.
Welcome to IKEA. You going to the restroom? This is a nice kitchen.
So this would be too big for our place too. This is kind of big. What are you doing? Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Are you talking to them?
What am I gonna tell them? I suck at this. I just want to vlog.
You gotta vlog, man.
One day, babe.
You gotta.
Those are the lights I want.
You
Well,
gotta
no, actually, no, I don't want those lights. So, babe, one day is gonna pay like thousands of dollars to get me one of these. You.
Let me check your forehead. You might be sick. Yup.
Babe, yes, you are. You're gonna give me the. You set it over there.
I got a lot on the vlog so I can
Oh, look. It's gonna be me soon.
with your broken ass computer.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah. I am a fan. This is what I
This
like.
is beautiful.
This screams me. I'll have Slim Jims in all my corners, you feel me? Kool-Aid jammers and Kool-Aid.
With your tings.
My tings,
your
my Jamaican tings. You know what
I love this. This is Aleja.
This is fresh.
Aleja, if you're watching this one day, this is literally you. This is your style.
It's me too. I love this. The black? Ooh, with the blow. That shit fresh.
Look, they got my sandals. Baby hating on my sandals. My Old
Frosty
Navy.
and Dusty.
They're Old Navy flip-flops.
Them shits need to be in the damn Navy Sea. Them shits crusty.
They're only $2.
That's why they so good.
But they're so comfy. You never try them, that's why. Old Navy's gonna...
I got Crockies.
I don't like Crocs like that.
You get the Crocs.
Look at this kitchen.
I'm really becoming a vlogger, though.
See, I want a shower like this. And then a bathtub. Baby, can you build me a bathtub?
Huh?
You're wealthy. Yeah, guys, buy merch. So you can support our house dreams. And since baby Zosh is gonna come soon.
They're gonna think you're crazy.
Yeah, buy babe's merch. And support him. Right, babe?
La 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 la.
This is it.
Getting this 2-drawer chest for our nightstand. $60, not too bad. We're looking on Amazon. Them shit's wax. So we'll just get one of these.
I told you.
Oh, babe, you think shit gonna fit in the car? This shit longer than the ball.
Yeah. And then that's one.
This is 3.
I told
2,
you.
1.
You shouldn't have gone that big dolly. You want me to go get it? There's one right there.
Where?
Right here. Yeah. This has $59.99 for the drawers. They're $59.99, not $39.
I'm broke, bitch! 4:06 on our way home. Just had some Culver's. Our first time eating their burger. That was a good ass cheeseburger. But we got our things from IKEA. Now we're on the way home. Today was kind of like a loss, but I'm not trying to look at it that way. The goal really was to come down here and get my engine harness and conversion harness and everything in one, but that didn't happen. Poor communication, I guess. I don't know. My girl says I'm too nice.
Gotta be more aggressive.
I guess, because I told her the same thing. I guess when it happens to you, you don't really take your own advice. It's one of those things where like you give somebody proper advice, but you never take it, and that's what happened. But you know, it is what it is, man. This fucking sucks. But I'm not trying to let it kill everything, because we got some stuff for the house today. We try, you know what I mean? We tried a burger. We, you know, got out the house, went to Orlando. So
Little trip.
yeah, took a little trip down here and you know, explore the city. Oh wait, there we go. Oh, it's in automatic mode, so you can see everything. But yeah, we're on Colonial Drive right now. Oh, we're going to State Route? Okay, cool. Yeah, man, this goes to show, like, this is what happens sometimes, you know? Like, shit happens when you're dealing with something like a loss where like time is wasted and money's invested and wasted, things of that nature. You just
make the best out of it.
You got to, yeah. I mean, I could have easily like, man, I'm gonna go home, man. I'm fucking mad. Go on social media and blast this company, yada yada. Nah, like I tell you guys about like my discrepancies, because that's what it is. It's transparency, and you know, it's real life stuff that happens. It sucks. I'm mad as on the inside, because it's like, he could have told me, could have called me, could have did something in order for me to come down here. But at least we got stuff for the house, for our room. So it is what it is, you know. Just kind of, I just wish it wasn't so late in the day, because I wanted to go home and work on it, put the bumper fender thing back on Akira so I can have my bumper up, because I got to transport some stuff from my room over to the new house and things of that nature. But it is what it is. Enjoy this drive home, get home, and
wow, that's a different Tony. Love it.
Right? That's kind of cool. Colonial Drive is nice. Orlando will be a nice place to live.
Boys and Girl Club, we sponsor them at the firm.
So much traffic here, dog, and people don't know how to fucking drive. I gotta bleep that out when I get home. Yeah, I can't be cursing like that. I got kids watching the vlogs, you feel me? But yeah, that's what's going on right now, bit dog. Oh, my lens stuff came in the mail today too, so I can we can go do some photos tonight. Oh, you got work tomorrow. Wham, wham, wham. Wham, wham, wham.
I go to sleep late anyways.
No. Okay, you be talking to me for 5 minutes, and the next day you
Really?
Hey, did y'all know girls snore? I didn't know that until my boo-boo.
My little grizzly bear.
My little baby, you alright? Huh?
Too. What the hell? We're humans.
Yeah, I know. I didn't know, like, I don't know, that's just crazy.
And I bet a lot of your fans, which men subscribers, are gonna be like, hell yeah, my girl be snoring, because girls snore.
Yeah, I mean, we're all human. I know.
It's just a guy thing.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. It's just crazy that like 1 second you just normal, the next second you
Well, because some people
die in their damn sleep, it seems like.
I'm not ashamed of it.
That's right, baby. Never be ashamed of that. Embrace your fine self, boo-boo.
Yep, who snores. I'm fine, but I snore.
Yup.
They do say, there's a meme on Facebook that says that fine girls be snoring or something
Yep.
like that.
And fine girls drive raggedy ass cars.
I don't have a raggedy ass car.
I know, your car nice. She got all sad. No, I'm just saying, like, they be like, oh, the baddest girls have like the most trashiest shit boxes.
Or like they have the trashy ass apartment.
Yeah, rooms and stuff like that because they don't care about their looks.
Ain't true all the time.
That's right, baby. That's right.
I'm one of a kind, babe.
You tell. Yep, she's one of a kind, y'all. She's one of a kind. Watch her ass leave me in like 2 months. I'm over here making sad, depressing ass breakup videos. So like today. She took everything. I'm gonna be with Rainy driving like 140. I'm like, bro, I miss her, bro. Rainy gonna like, man, get me out this fucking car.
Not gonna happen, babe.
I know, boo boo. I'm gonna get you pregnant before you try to leave.
Oh God.
And I'm gonna put you on child support.
Now.
City boys up 2 million. So we're back home at my mama crib. Close out this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Man, this wide angle is so nice. Like, oh, we in 18 millimeters. Now we in 10. Now we're in 18. I want to get a 10 to like 22. 22 would be fire. A 10 to 22 lens would be good. But yeah, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed my misery and me always taking L's, unfortunately. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like on the video, subscribe, get some merch. If you use discount code FREE, you get free shipping on orders of $50 plus, and that's going to always be a discount. So if you guys want to buy some Zosh MFG shorts that I recently released not too long ago, get that in the shirt, use code FREE, you get free shipping. Look at that. So, you know, hopefully some incentives for people to support the system more that I'm trying to do. And then, who knows, maybe we'll be the next Eliminate, and I can buy cool cars, and I can not only have Hondas, and I can have like GTRs or something. But people don't understand that, like, in case for that to happen, think about how these guys got their foot in the door. Well, then again, most of these, they probably have good, like, support systems like families and things of that nature, but like, you guys know how I go. Support the system, man. But that is gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, then leave a dislike on the video. I don't give up. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.